Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Alright, this is my daily driver, and I am ashamed. This thing is hideous. As you can see, the rubber on the thumbs is just gone. Over here, just gone. So I'm going to try to remedy that and replace them. These were about $6. I'll put the link in the description below, and this should take care of the problem. So let's jump right in. Alright, first off, flip it over and take out the battery pack. And someone has already opened this one. I did purchase this used. Had it for a long time now and it's worked great. So for this, we're going to need I think it's called a T9H. It's just a T9 with a small hole. But that's what you're going to need to disassemble this controller. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. So let's take those out. After 7 screws, you should be able to pop this sucker open, but it's usually not that easy. I got little tools like this to help me out. You can use a guitar pick, credit cards sometimes, something like that to help open it up. But you kind of want to open it from the points here, not by the triggers. That way you can roll it open. So we'll see if we can. Easier said than done, huh? Look at that, you can just see the dirt from years. Oh, it's kind of gross, guys. Alright, so there's one starting to pop open. It'd be kind of hard, yeah, if you didn't have this tool. It would be a little harder with a credit card, or I think a guitar pick would work pretty good though. Here we go. It's starting to come apart now. So it actually had some gunk in there. So I'm going to leave it face down. Alright, and it looks like mine's quite dirty. I mean, I've had it forever and I have never cleaned it, so it's pretty dirty. So I think what we're going to do is just take the motors out and get this board off. Now, this board can be hard to get off from years of crud and just, it's like it gets cemented into place. But work at it, keep working, you know, be gentle about it and it'll come out. But they can really get stuck in there. So let's see what we got here. And it looks pretty dirty. Yeah, it doesn't look great at all. It's pretty dirty. I think I'm gonna hit that real quick and clean it up. All right, and that looks a heck of a lot better already. All right, so the whole reason we're here. Okay. These are the new ones. Thank you for your order, it says on it. Just some random place on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. goes one. Yep. There's little slots, so they only go in one direction. And there's zero play, guys. Holy moly. Zero. That's what I see a lot of people complain about, is like the twist play. Zero. So this is actually a really good set. I got lucky on this set. Wow. It is kind of hard to tell where the point is. There it goes. Let's see. Zero. It doesn't. Oh, that's so good. All right, I was really worried about that purchase because, you know, just no name seller. But glad I did. A lot better than these guys, man. Look at these worn out suckers, guys. This is what I've been playing with. I mean, it's ridiculous. So it should be that easy. Let's see if it is. Let's put this thing back together. And basically right there, this plastic point is where you kind of want that snap to happen. That's where it happens at, is right there. So it's snapped it back into place. Let's put our motors back in. It's real simple, just place them. All right, almost done. It's basically back together, guys. Hold on, let me get the front. So basically, you kind of want to start from the top, kind of get your top situated. And then in the back here, the power connectors need to be pressed down and then slid into place like so. See how they're going in there? Just gotta kind of wiggle everything into place. Looks like we got it. So all right, looks like we got our bag together. Let's put some screws in her. All right, let's get to it. That literally feels like stock. That feels like a brand new controller. What? There's no wiggle. Man, this is so much better than what I was using. And these are stock. Wow. Wish I had a brand to show you guys. It just says thank you for your order. Like I said, link in the description below. Wow. There's no play, guys. Nice. There's like some in and out action. That's actually really common. Oh man, really nice. Well, that's it. How you repair worn thumbsticks on an Xbox 360 controller. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, like and subscribe. And as always, have a tech day.